Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to revisit the infinity circle. One of the ways I love to start my day, matter of fact, this may be one of my new Tibetans. This is going to be on my Tibetan list. And anyway, one way I love to start out today is through making the infinity symbol and tracing it in both directions. And this is phenomenal for your brain, for your nervous system, your body, and it feels so good, especially when you follow your hand or your fingers with your eyes and your head, and you allow your whole body to get into tracing the infinity symbol. So like my eyes and head are going, my torso is going, my hips are going, and I am just constant, I'm weaving in and out with the infinity symbol, and it just feels good. You will feel connected in your center, and it's just you moving, especially when you reverse it. If you're probably not used to reversing that movement, and it feels kind of awkward and good at the same time. Anyway, we've done that before. Now I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple way to add juice to that, and you may have done this, but we kind of get, most of us, if we do things, we don't often expand on things. We just do things, right? We get into things we like and we check boxes and we cease exploring. But it's also good to explore. So I was exploring and I took a 5-pound weight or a plate, 5-pound plate. You could use a dinner plate. It doesn't have to be heavy at all, but you're gonna put it in your hands and we're gonna do the same thing. And we're just gonna trace the infinity symbol. But now with this little bit of extra weight between your hands and your arm still being out away from your body, it creates a little bit more, just feels like there's more leverage and it requires more strength through your torso. So it feels like we have just added a lot of juice to the center. And you can also do it the other way. So everything's the same. We have just put a little bit of weight in our hands. And it is a fantastic way to juice up the infinity circles. Again, great for your brain, your nervous system, but when you put that weight in there, you're gonna be like, oh my, it's great for my torso. Yes, from your armpits to your pelvis, you'll know it. Anyway, that's the tip this week, is just put a little bit of weight in between your hands when you do your infinity circles. And if you don't do your infinity circles, maybe you should do your infinity circles. It's really good for you and you'll probably like the way it makes you feel. Having said that, if you get dizzy, you can, again, just focus on the ends of your fingers and that dizziness will go. And if you do it often though, you're probably not gonna get dizzy because you're gonna get very used to it. But if it's new to you, you might get dizzy. Anyway, give that a shot. Make infinity circles if you've never made them before. And then if you have made them before, put a little bit of weight in between your hands and still trace everything the exact same way. All right, that's it. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.